Hello, my dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you in Shri Jaindra Rank Zone. I am your friend and mentor for the subject Business and Commercial Knowledge. In this lecture, we'll continue with Business Chapter 1, that is Business and Commercial Knowledge and Introduction. And in particular, we'll be continuing with multiple choice questions, that is MCQs. So let us begin. This is lecture 8. First question. On the basis of activities as a domain, the list does not include A. Manufacturing, B. Trading, C. Commerce and services, D. Human resource. On the basis of activities as a domain, the list does not include D. Human resource. D. Human resource. Second question. On the basis of functions as a BCK domain, the list includes A. Production, B. Accounting, finance and taxation, C. Human resource, D. All of the above. Functions of BCK, all of the above. It's all of the above. 2D. Question 3. Economic laws, philosophy, psychology, sociology, etc. are related with the BCK domain. A. Mode, B. Scale, C. Underlying disciplines, D. Focus. It's C. Underlying disciplines. It's C. Underlying disciplines. Next question, question 4. As per the Oxford Online Dictionary, a specified sphere of knowledge is called as what? A. Business and commercial knowledge, B. Domain, C. Principle, D. All of the above. A specified sphere of knowledge is called as domain. Is called as domain. 4B. Domain. Question 5. Business and commercial knowledge as a domain is Business and commercial knowledge as a domain is A. Vast, B. Eclectic, C. Ever evolving and expanding, D. All of the above. Business and commercial knowledge as a domain is D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Next question, question 6. In case of business, the range of activities include manufacturing, trading, services, retail and domestic trade, door-to-door selling, malls, weekly hearts, etc. Therefore, BCK is A. Vast, B. Eclectic, C. Ever evolving and expanding, D. All of the above. A. Vast. A. BCK is vast. Next question, question 7. BCK has derived from various disciplines like marketing, accounting, finance, operation, human behavior, laws, economics, ethics, etc. Therefore, BCK is A. Eclectic, B. Unidisciplinary, C. Bidisciplinary, or D. None of the above. A. Eclectic. A. Eclectic. BCK has derived from various disciplines like marketing, accounting, finance, operations, human behavior, laws, economics, ethics. Therefore, BCK is eclectic. Next, question 8. The business draws their strategies to beat their competitors. BCK has adopted the term strategy from which of the following original disciplines? A. Military. It's quite simple. A. Military. Next question 9. The BCK vocabulary includes bulls and bears. These have been taken from the discipline B. Biology. B. Biology. Next question, question 10. The information and communication technology has introduced several terms in the lexicon of BCK. Example 24/7, B2B, B2C, etc. The impact of this evolution is the decline and demise of old businesses and newer ways of doing the business. On this basis, it can be said that BCK is A. Vast, B. Multidisciplinary, C. Eclectic, D. Even, evolving and expanding. The information and communication technology has introduced several terms in the lexicon of BCK 24/7, B2B, B2C. The impact of this evolution is the decline and demise of old business and newer ways of doing business. On this basis, it can be said that the BCK is even, evolving and expanding. Ever evolving and expanding. Ever evolving and expanding. 10D. 10D. Next question, question 11. The chartered accountants are responsible for putting in place a credible system of truthful and fair accounting and reporting of society's resources, their deployment and utilization. Hence, the chartered accountants are the dash of a nation's resource. Hence, the chartered accountants are the dash of a nation's resource. A. Custodians. B. Investigators. C. Supervisors. D. None of the above. It's A. Custodians. It's A. Custodians. Custodians. Next question, question 12. The BCK is important for the chartered accountant. Which of the following statement is correct in this regard? A. The CA cannot develop notions of cost, inventory, revenue, profit, etc. in case of FMCG business. B. The CA shall be able to conduct audit diligently only when they understand the nuances of the corresponding business. C. The knowledgeable of law is not required to CA. The knowledgeable of law is not required to CA. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. It's B. The CA shall be able to conduct audit diligently only when they understand the nuances of the corresponding business. I believe you understood till here. Next question, question 13. According to an English journalist, Joseph Rudyard Kipling, each one of us have 6 honest servants, and these are A. What, why, when, how, where, and who. B. Honesty, integrity, diligence, loyalty, truthfulness, and positive. C. Technology, service, education, mental level, background, and finance. D. None of the above. D. None of the above. So 13A. What, why, when, how, where, and who. I think you understood. Which of the following is not a business magazine? A. Business World. B. Business Today. C. India Forbes. D. Hindu New Year. D. Hindu New Year. D. Hindu New Year. Next question 15. Which of the following is not a business channel? CNBC TV 18, ET Now, NDTV Profit, Sub TV. D. Sub TV. D. Sub TV. Question 16. Which of the following is not an economic objective of a firm? Which of the following is not an economic objective of the firm? A. Sales growth. B. Improvement in market share. C. Profit and return on investment. D. Conservation of natural resources. It's D. Conservation of natural resources. Let's move ahead. 17. Economic activities are driven cause of dash. Economic activities are driven cause of dash. A. Self-interest. B. Selfless motive. C. Human welfare. Or D. Self-satisfaction. It's A. Self-interest. Self-interest. Next question. Question 18. Which of the following statements characterizes the best non-economic activities? Which of the following statements characterizes the best non-economic activities? A. Non-economic activities do not require any investment of resources. B. These activities do not entail any operational cost. C. These activities are undertaken by aesthetics. Or D. The underlying purpose of these activities is not earning of a livelihood but social, psychological, or spiritual satisfaction. It's D. The underlying purpose of these activities is not earning of livelihood but social, psychological, or spiritual satisfaction. Next question. Usually, non-economic activities are driven by the reasons A. Emotional, B. Sentimental, C. Altruism, D. Any of the above. It's D. Any of the above. Usually, non-economic activities are driven by reasons emotional, sentimental, altruism, D. Any of the above. It's D. Any of the above. Next question. Question 20. The economic activities are distinguishable merely by the presence of dash motive. Dash motive. A. Livelihood. B. Emotional. C. Altruism. D. All of the above. It's livelihood. It's livelihood. A. 20A. 20A. Next question. 21. Which of the following is economic activity? Which of the following is economic activity? A. Social, religion and cultural. B. Personal and recreational. C. Charity and patriotic. D. Self-interest and rationality of what do I get in return. It's D. Self-interest and rationality of what do I get in return. Question 22. Which of the following statement is false in respect of non-economic actinides? A. These are activities. Non-economic activities. Which of the following statement is false in respect of non-economic activities? A. These can never have economic dimensions. B. These are not for livelihood motive. C. These are for selfless consent, that is altruism. D. These are for charity, patriotic, social, religion, etc. It's A. These can never have an economic dimension. This statement is false. Next question. Question 23. Which of the following is not a characteristics of economic activities? A. Income generating. B. Productive. C. Saving, investment and wealth. D. Personal satisfaction only. D. Personal satisfaction only. D. Personal satisfaction only. 24. Next question 24. From the broader perspective, dash may be defined as an economic activity comprising the entire spectrum of activities pertaining to production, distribution, and trading, exchange of goods and services. A. Business. B. Employment. C. Profession. D. Economy. It's a business. It's a business. Next question. Question 25. The extraction of edible oil from rice bran, mustard, coconut, soya bean, etc. represent A. Pure agriculture. B. Agro-based industries. C. Business. D. Retail industry. Next question 25. The extraction of edible oil from rice bran, mustard, coconut, soya bean, etc. represent A. Pure agriculture. B. Agro-based industry. C. Business. D. Retail industry. B. Agro-based industries. Identify the economic activity. 26. Identify the economic activity. A. Cooking of food by the homemaker. B. Playing of piano as a hobby. C. Employment in a charitable organization. D. Exercising in a park. C. Employment in a charitable organization. Because that is for that person will definitely get remuneration or salary. 27. Economic activities do not include A. Profit earning. B. Emotional sentiment. C. Self-interest. D. Livelihood motive. Economic activity do not include B. Emotional sentiment. Emotional sentiment. Question 27 B. Question 28. Identify which are of the following is economic activity. A. Cooking of food by Mr. X in a restaurant. B. Giving private tuitions. C. Dabbawala picks up the food from home and deliver it to the office. D. All of the above. Identify which are of the following is economic activity. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Next question 29. Usually non-economic activities are driven by the reasons A. Emotional. B. Sentimental. C. Altruism. D. Any of the above. It's D. Any of the above. 29. D. Any of the above. Next question 30th. Identify non-economic activity. A. Music composer. B. Ice cream vendor. C. Cycle repair shop. D. Elder sibling assisting the younger one in studies. Non-economic activity D. Elder sibling assisting the younger one in studies. Next question 31. Transfer of interest is possible in A. Business. B. Profession. C. Employment. D. All of the above. It's A. Business. Transfer of interest is possible in A. Business. 32. Next question 32. Professional codes are used as a ethical guidance in case of A. Business. B. Profession. C. Employment. D. All of the above. Professional codes are used in B. Profession. B. Profession. 33. Next question. 33. Letter of appointment and service agreement are the mode of establishment in case of A. Business. B. Profession. C. Employment. D. All of the above. It's C. Employment. Letter of appointment and service agreement are mode of establishment in case of C. employment. Next question 34. Consider the following table. Consider the following table showing columns for the nature of economic occupation and the corresponding characterization of the income, and then choosing the right solution option from the alternative given below the table. Economic occupations is given and income characterization is given over here. First, employment, profession, business, land, property, rental, lending, income characterization, profit, wages and salaries, interest, rent, and fees. In case of employment, wages and salaries will come. First B, profession, professional fee will come. E, business, profit. A, land is rent, and lending would be interest. So 1B, 2E, 3A, 4D, 5C. It's C. Option C. 34C. Next question 35. The attribute of a profession does not include A. Certificate of service from government, B. Self-imposed code of conduct, C. Rendering of specialized nature of services, D. All of the above. The attribute of a profession does not include A. Certificate of service from government. Next question 36. The periodic compensation in case of employment refers to A. Wages, B. Salaries, C. Both wages and salaries, D. Lump sum amount payable on retirement. It's C. Both wages and salaries. 36C. 36C. Next is 37. Business as an institution is A. Job creator, B. Job seeker, C. Both, D. None of the above. Business as an institution is A. Job creator. Next question 38. The entire spectrum of market-oriented activities coming under the industry, trade and commerce is dash. The entire spectrum of market-oriented activities coming under industry, trade and commerce is dash. A. Business, B. Profession, C. Employment, D. All of the above. It's A. Business. Next question 39. Which of the following is organic objective of business? Which of the following is the organic objective of business? A. Fitness of human resources, B. Community service, C. Effective waste handling and disposal, D. Economic value added. It's A. Fitness of human resources. Next question 40. The source of livelihood in case of business is A. Professional fee, B. Profit, C. Wages, D. Salaries. It's B. Profit. 40B. Profit. Next question 41. The occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return is known as A. Business, B. Employment, C. Profession, D. None of these. It's B. Employment. 41B. Next question 42. Which of the following statements distinguishes business from entrepreneurship? A. Entrepreneurs are the business owners too. All business owners are entrepreneurs too. C. Entrepreneurs seek out new opportunities and pursue innovative business ideas. D. A and B. It's C. Entrepreneurs seek out new opportunities and pursue Innovative business ideas. 42C. Next question 43. Next question 43. Which are of the following does not require any investment? A. Small business. B. Business. C. Profession. D. Employment. It's D. Employment. It's D. Employment do not require any investment. Next question, question 44. The logo of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is suggestive of A. Integrity, B. Vigilance, C. Profession, D. None of these. The logo of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is suggestive of dash, that is integrity, B. Vigilance, C. Profession, D. None of these. It's B. Vigilance. It's B. Vigilance. Next question 45. The micro, small, medium and large enterprises are identified with respect to the A. Number of employees, B. Number of products, C. Area served, D. Size of investment. The micro, small and medium enterprise are defined with the size of investment, that is D. Size of investment, D. 45D. Next question 46. Which of the following occupations require rendering of services based upon specialized knowledge and membership of an accreditation and assessment body? A. Employment, B. Profession, C. Business, D. Agriculture. It's B. Profession. 46B. Profession. Next question 47. In which of the following case the qualifications are strictly prescribed? A. Business, B. Profession, C. Employment, D. Trading. It's B. Profession. For profession, qualifications are strictly prescribed. Next, question 48. Which of the following statement is false as regard to profession? False as regard to profession. A. It is rendering of services of a specialized nature. B. Prescribed qualification. C. Works under a certificate of practice from an established certification. D. The source of livelihood is profit. It's D. The source of livelihood is profit. It's D. The source of livelihood is profit. Next question, question 49. Trading implies buying for the purpose of selling. Applying this criterion, tell which of the following activities would not qualify as trading. Trading implies buying for the purpose of selling. Applying this criterion, tell which of the following activities would not qualify as trading. A. Purchase of goods in bulk quantity from manufacturer and sale in smaller quantities to the retailer. B. Buying from the wholesaler and selling it to the customer, that is consumer. C. Buying from the retailer for self-consumption. Buying from the retailer for self-consumption. D. Purchase of raw material from the supplier for further processing in a factory. It's C. Buying for the retailer for self-consumption. 49C. Next question 50. Which of the following is true in economics and finance? A. Risk and uncertainty are synonyms. B. Risk can be calculated in advance but not uncertainty. C. Uncertainty can be calculated but not rise. D. Under uncertainties, risk must be zero. It's B. Risk can be calculated in advance but uncertainty cannot. The statement is true. This statement is absolutely true. I believe you understood. I believe you understood this. 51. Sustainable development business imply A. Consistent economic performance, B, attention to social problems, C, harmony with nature, D, all of the above. It's D, all of the above. Sustainable development business imply all of the above. Next question 52. Dash suggests that business must be assessed not only in terms of economic returns but also on the basis of their social and ecological returns. A. The objectives of business. B. Plurality of business. C. The vision of business. D. The mission of business. It's B. The plurality of business. Next question 53. 53. The choice of an appropriate form of business organization depends upon A. Ease of formation, B. Liability of aspects, C. Capital adequacy. First, ease of formation. Second, liability of aspects. Third, capital adequacy. Options are only one, A. Only one, B. Only three, C. 1 and 3, D. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. The choice of an appropriate form of business organization depends upon the ease of formation, the liability, and the capital adequacy. That is 1, 2, and 3. Option D. 1, 2, and 3. Option D. Next question 54. On the basis of size and scale of the activity undertaken, business may be classified as A. Micro, small, medium, large, B. Public and private, C. Big and small, D. Small scale and large scale business. It's A. Small, micro, medium, and large. On the basis of size and scale, the business may be bifurcated as small, medium, micro, and large enterprises. Next question 55. Business ownership is a bundle of A. Benefits, B. Rights, C. Obligations, D. Advantages. It's B. Rights. Business ownership is a bundle of certain rights. Next question 56. The shared ownership is beneficial because A. There is sharing of risk, B. There is sharing of profits, C. There is sharing of benefits, D. There is sharing of expenses. It's A. There is sharing of risk. It's A. There is sharing of risk. 57. Next question 57. Dash form of business is appropriate for retail business. Dash form of business is appropriate for retail business. A. Sole proprietorship, B. Partnership, C. Company, D. Both A and B. It's D. Both A and B. That is sole proprietorship and partnership. Both the businesses are appropriate for retail business. 58. Which form of business organization has a separate legal entity? Which form of business organization has a separate legal entity? A. Hindu undivided family, B. Cooperative society, C. Partnership firm, or D. Sole proprietorship. It's B. Cooperative society. Which form of business organization has a separate legal entity? It's cooperative society. Under the Cooperative Societies Act 1912. Next, 59. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Which of the following statement is incorrect? Which is false? A. The business ownership accrues because a person has invested money in it. B. A business may be owned single or jointly. C. Business may be organized as a proprietary concern or a corporate concern. D. Joint family business is not a business. D. Joint family business is not a business. It is D. Joint family business is not a business. It's false. Next question 60. In case of dash, there is a separation of ownership and management. In case of dash, there is a separation of ownership and management. A. Sole proprietorship. B. Partnership. C. Co-ownership. D. Company. It's D. Company. In case of company, in case of joint stock company, there is a separation of ownership and management. Next question 61. The choice of an appropriate form of business organization largely depends upon first ease of formation, second continuity and stability, third liability aspects. Correct option is A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3, D 1, 2 and 3. It's D 1, 2 and 3. Next question 62. Which of the following is not a form of organization? Which of the following is not a form of organization? A. Partnership. B. Company. C. Partners. D. Sole proprietorship. It's C. Partners. Partners is not a form of any organization. Partnership is a form of organization. I believe you must have understood this. Next question 63. The size of structure of business depends on many factors which are A. In control of enterprises, B. Arbitrary and random, C. Range from internal to external factors which are bound by the control of enterprises, D. Beyond the control of enterprises. It's A. In the control of enterprises. Next question 64. Which of the following statement is incorrect as regard to corporate form? Which of the following statement is false as regard to corporate form? A. Life of business is entwined with the life of owner. B. Business is a separate legal person. C. The life of business is independent from life of owners. And D. The business has distinct name. It's A. The life of business is entwined with the life of owner. The life of owner. Next question 65. The choice of form of business organization depends upon A. Funds required, B. Nature of product, C. Risk involved, D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Funds required also, nature of the product also, and risk involved also. It's D. All of the above. Next question 66. Which of the following does not have perpetual succession? A. Company, B. Statutory corporation, C. Sole proprietorship, D. Cooperative society. It's C. Sole proprietorship, because sole proprietorship does not have a separate legal entity, so it also don't have a perpetual succession. 67. Sole proprietary business is suitable when market is A. Non-existent, B. National, C. Local, D. Global. Is C. Local. Sole proprietary business is suitable when market is local. Next question 68. Next question 68. Which are of the following is the easiest and earliest form of business as a human occupation? Which are of the following is the easiest and earliest form of business as human occupation? A. Sole proprietorship. B. Co-ownership. C. Partnership. D. Company. A. Sole proprietorship. It's A. Sole proprietorship. Next question 69. Which of the following form of enterprise are the largest in India? A. Sole proprietorship. B. Partnership. C. Company. D. LLP. It's A. Sole proprietorship. 69A. Sole proprietorship. Next question 70. Next question 70. In relation to business organization structure, which one of the following is easy to form and wind up? A. Company. B. A sole proprietorship. C. Statutory corporation. D. Public enterprises. B. Sole proprietorship. B. It's sole proprietorship. Next question 71. In which of the following form of business organization the entrepreneur is regarded as economic hero who organizes production, uses his creativity and ingenuity in innovation, bears risk and uncertainty? A. Sole proprietorship. B. Partnership. C. Company. D. Limited liability partnership LLP. It's A. Sole proprietorship. It's A. Sole proprietorship. '72. Which of the following statements describe the best joint Hindu undivided family business? A. It is a form of business particular to and recognized as such in India. B. Every family business is in fact a HUF business. C. In HUF business, there is a family involvement in business. D. Either A or C. It's D. Either A or C. It's D. Either A or C. Next question 73. Members of HUF is known as A. Partners. B. Shareholders. C. Members. D. Co-partners. It's D. Co-partners. Head of HUF is known as A. Karta. B. Co-partners. C. Manager. D. Head. It's A. Karta. It's A. Karta. Next question 75. In HUF, liability of Karta is limited. B. No liability of Karta. C. Liability of Karta is unlimited. D. Liability of everyone is unlimited. C. Liability of Karta is unlimited. It's true, liability of Karta is unlimited. Next question 76. HUF dash be formed by a group of people who do not constitute a family. A. Cannot be formed. B. Can be formed. C. Should not be formed. D. May be formed. It's A. Cannot be formed. HUF cannot be formed by a group of people who do not constitute a family. 3 generations in a family could be a part of HUF, that is Hindu undivided family business. 77. Next question 77. As per Income Tax Act, HUF is a separate entity from the joint family that comprises it. Therefore, HUF cannot earn income from which of the following sources? A. Salary. B. House property. C. Business and profession. D. Capital gain. A. Salary. It's A. Salary. Next question, 78. The definition of HUF includes A. Buddhist, B. Jain and Parsi, C. Sikh, D. All of the above. The definition of HUF includes Buddhist, Jain and Parsi, Sikh. So the answer is D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Next question. Dash successive generation of the Hindu undivided family are known as HUF. Undivided family known as HUF. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. It's C3. It's C3. Next question, 80. HUF can comprise members of A. Hindu and Sikh family, B. Parsi family, C. Buddhist family, D. Muslim family. Okay, so just change the question. HUF cannot comprise members of a D. Muslim family. HUF cannot comprise members of a D. Muslim family. Next question, 81. In a Hindu undivided family, liability of dash is unlimited. A. Karta. The liability of Karta is unlimited in Hindu undivided family. Next question, 82. The Karta is joint Hindu family business has A. Unlimited liability, B. Joint liability, C. Limited liability, D. No liability for debts. It's A. Unlimited liability. It's A. Unlimited liability. Next question, 83. Who can be the head of joint Hindu family business? A. Karta, B. Co-partners, C. Manager, D. Director. It's A. Karta. It's A. Karta. 84. Next question. Liability of other co-partners are A. Limited up to the extent of share capital except Karta, B. Unlimited up to the extent of share capital except Karta, C. Unlimited, D. Limited. It's A. Limited up to the extent of share except Karta. Karta is having unlimited liability and other co-partners have limited liability in an HUF form of family business. Next question, 85. Question 85. The liability of each member of the Hindu undivided family business is A. Limited to a sum as declared by him in general public, B. Unlimited, C. Limited to the extent to his share in the business except Karta, or D. Limited to the extent of his share in business including that of Karta. It's C. Limited to the extent of his share in the business except Karta. Next question, 86. Which is not a merit of LLP? A. Designated partners have to do all compliance. B. Separate legal entity. C. Both A and B. Or D. None of the above. It's A. Designated partners have to do all the compliances. Next, 87. Income Tax Act 1961. HUF cannot card which type of A. Profit, B. Salary, C. House property, D. Other sources. It's B. Salary. It's B. Salary. Next question, 88. Which of the following is correct? A. Max number of members is 50 in case of private limited company. B. Freely transferable shares in case of private limited company. Maximum number of members, that is 200 in case of private limited company, or D. None of the above. It's C. Maximum number of members is 200 in case of private limited company. Next question, question 89. In case of Hindu undivided family, the individual share of each co-parsoner A depends upon his efficiency, keeps charging on the death of the birth of co-parsoners, is fixed, C is fixed, D keeps changing annually. Keeps changing annually. 89C is fixed. In case of HUF undivided family, the individual share of each co-parsoner is fixed. Next question, 90. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to HUF? A. HUF earns income from salary. B. 4 successive generations of an undivided family. C. HUF enjoys a separate entity status under the Income Tax Act 1961. Or D. All of the above. It's C. HUF enjoys a separate entity status under the Income Tax Act 1961. Next, 91. Next question, 91. In case of HUF, what are the liabilities of co-parsoners and Karta? A. Both have unlimited liability. B. Co-parsoners' liability is limited while Karta's liability is unlimited. C. Karta's liability is unlimited while co-parsoners' liability is unlimited. D. Both have limited liability. It's B. Co-parsoner liability is limited while Karta's liability is unlimited. Next question, 92. Which of the following is a part of HUF? Which of the following is a part of HUF? A. Hindu and Sikh family. B. Parsi family. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. It's C. Both A and B. That is Hindu, Sikh and Parsi family. Let's move ahead. 93. A partnership may be formed to carry on A. Any trade. B. Occupation. C. Profession. D. Social enterprise. A partnership may be formed to carry on. The changes, a partnership may not be formed to carry on. D. Social enterprise. D. Social enterprise. Next question, 94. Which of the following is not a necessary feature of partnership? A. Sharing of profits. B. Sharing of losses. C. Agency between partners. D. Business purpose. It's B. Sharing of losses. It's B. Sharing of losses. Next question, 95. The agreement between partners must be dash. A. Verbal. B. Written. C. May be verbal, may be written. D. In electronic form only. Agreement could be maybe verbal, may be written. So 95C. 95C. Next question, 96. Next question, 96. To form a partnership, the minimum capital contribution should be A. 1 lakh. B. There is no minimum limit. C. 1 crore. D. 5 lakhs. There is no minimum limit. That is B. 96. B. There is no minimum limit. 96B. There is no minimum limit. Next question, 97. Dash is a feature of partnership form of business. Dash is a feature of partnership form of business. A. Separate legal entity from the firm. B. Limited scope of raising finance. C. The liability of partner is limited. to the contribution of capital. D. Registration of partnership is compulsory. It's B. Limited scope of raising finance. Dash is a feature of partnership form of business. Limited scope of raising finance. Next question, 98. There can be partnership between A. Natural person, B. Artificial person, C. Partnership firms, D. Any combinations of natural and artificial persons. There can be partnership between D. Any combination of natural and artificial persons. Next, the registration of partnership firm is A. Compulsory, B. Mandatory, C. Statutorily required, D. Optional. The registration of partnership firm is D. Optional. It is advisable, but it is optional. Next question, 100. Which of the following is the feature of management? Which of the following is the feature of management? A. Agreement, B. Unlimited liability. Which of the following is a feature of partnership? A. Agreement, B. Unlimited liability, C. Mutual agency, D. All of the above. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Next question, 101. Which of the following is not a feature of LLP? Which of the following is not a feature of LLP? A. Every partner is an agent of LLP. B. Legal entity separate from its partners. C. Registrar of firms is the administering authority. D. No limit on maximum number of partners. C. Registrar of firms is the administering authority. Next question, 102. Which is not a feature of LLP? Which is not a feature of LLP? A. Separate legal entity. B. All LLP have existence for fixed period. C. Partnership in an LLP is required to turn into an agreement. D. In an LLP, partners are not required, not liable for the act of other partners. It's B. All LLP have existence for fixed period. That is not a feature of LLP. Next question, 103. Dash is a hybrid form of business. Dash is a hybrid form of business organization which contains the feature of both corporate form as well as proprietary form of business organization. A. Partnership, B. Company, C. Sole proprietorship, D. Limited liability partnership. It's D. Limited liability partnership. It's D. Limited liability partnership. Next question, 104. Next question, 104. Dash oversees the governance of LLP. Dash oversees the governance of LLP. A. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, B. State Government, C. SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, D. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. It's A. Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Next question, 105. Which of the following is treated as a separate legal entity different from its members? A. Sole proprietorship, B. Hindu undivided family, C. Partnership, D. Limited liability partnership. It's D. Limited liability partnership. It's D. Limited liability partnership. Next question, 106. Which of the following is incorrect as regards LLP? Which of the following is incorrect as regards LLP? A. Incorporation is mandatory. B. No personal liability of partners except in case of fraud. C. ROC is the administrating authority. D. The minimum number of members required is 7. D. The minimum number of members required is 7. Next, 107. What is the liability of each partner under LLP? A. Limited. B. Unlimited. C. Partially limited. D. None of the above. It's A. Limited. It's A. Limited. I believe you have understood this. Let us move ahead. Next question, 108. Which among the following is a feature of LLP? Which amongst the following a feature of LLP? A. Separate legal entity. B. Unlimited liability. C. Perpetual succession. D. Not a body corporate. It's A. Separate legal entity. Next question, 109. Which corporation has both characteristics, that is, of a partnership and of a separate legal entity? A. Limited liability partnership, LLP. B. Company. C. Partnership. D. Statutory body. It's A. LLP, Limited Liability Partnership. Next question, 110. Limited liability partnership is constituted under A. The Companies Act 2013. B. Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. C. Partnership Act 1932. D. None of the above is applicable. It's B. LLP Act 2008. It's B. LLP Act 2008. Next question in regard to LLP, 111. In case of LLP, every partner is agent of firm only. B. Every partner is agent of other partner only. C. Every partner is agent of both firm and other partners. D. Every partner is not an agent at all. It's A. Every partner is agent of firm only. Next question, 111A. Next question, 111A. What is the maximum number of partners in case of LLP? What is the maximum number of partners in case of LLP? D. No limit. D. No limit. There is no limit in case of maximum number of partners in LLP. Let us move ahead. 112. LLP has A. Liability of partners. B. In case of fraud, liability of partners become unlimited. C. It was incorporated under LLP Act 2009. Or D. All of the above. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Next question, 113. When FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act, is converted into FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, A. 1934, B. 1928, C. 1999, or D. 1997? It's C. 1999. It's C. 1999. Next question, 114. In order to make the system of diffused ownership of joint stock companies and their management work, Dash provides an elaborate system of corporate functioning. A. Companies Act 2013. B. Competition Act 2002. C. SEBI Act 1992. Or D. None of the above. It's A. Companies Act 2013. It's A. Companies Act 2013. Next question, 115. The Companies Act 2013 provides registration for A. One-person company, B. Small company, C. Defunct company, D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. 115D. All of the above. Next question, 116. The Indian Companies Act provides for the registration of A. Private limited and public company, one person company and small company, C. Defunct company, D. All of the above. It's D. All of the above. Next question. CSR stands for A. Cash security ratio, B. Cash supply ratio, C. Corporate social responsibility, D. Consumer satisfaction ratio. It's C. Corporate social responsibility. It's C. Corporate social responsibility. Next question, 118. Gas Authority of India Limited, GAIL, is an example of A. Limited liability partnership, that is LLP, B. Private limited company, C. Public enterprise, D. None of the above. It's C. Public enterprise. GAIL is a public enterprise. Next question, 119. The affairs of a company is overseen by A. Shareholders, B. Employees, C. Board of directors, or D. Dividend holders. The affairs of a company is overseen by C. Board of directors. C. Board of directors. The maximum number of board of directors is 15. Next, 120. The objectives of a company can be traced from which of the following document? The objectives of a company is traced from which of the following document? A. Memorandum of Association, MOA, B. Articles of Association, AOA, C. Prospectus, or D. All of the above. It's A. MOA. It's A. Memorandum of Association. Next question, 121. The company solicits capital contribution by the issue of dash. A. Memorandum of Association, B. Articles of Association, C. Prospectus, D. All of the above. It's C. Prospectus. The company solicits the capital contribution by issue of prospectus. Next question, 122. Next question, 122. The Indian corporate sector is numerically dominated by dash companies. A. Public companies, B. Private companies, C. Government companies, or D. Small companies. It's B. Private companies. The Indian corporate sector is numerically dominated by private companies. Next question, 123. 123. Next question. Dash has been the most recently introduced form of business organization in India wide the Companies Act 2013. Dash has been the most recently introduced form of business organization in India via the Companies Act 2013. A. One person company, B. Private company, C. Public company, D. Defunct company. It's A. One person company. It's A. One person company. A. One person company. Next question, 124. As per the Companies Act 2013, dash company be created for a future project or to hold an asset or intellectual property and has no significant accounting transactions. A. Small company, B. Dormant company, C. Gestation company, D. Deferred company. It's B. Dormant company. It's B. Dormant companies. As per the Companies Act 2013, a dormant company is created for the future project or hold an asset or intellectual property, no significant accounting transactions. Next question, 125. Which of the following document of a company focuses on internal regulation? A. Memorandum of Association MOA. B. Articles of Association AOA. C. Prospectus. D. Agreement. It's B. Articles of Association. It's B. Articles of Association. Next question, 126. The minimum number of members in case of private and public companies are dash and dash respectively. Private and public companies, the minimum number of members, private 2, public 7, C. Private 2, public 7, C. Next question, 127. What is the minimum number of directors? What is the minimum number of directors in case of public companies? In case of public companies, the minimum number of directors is 3 directors. Minimum number of directors in case of public company is 3. I believe you have understood till here. I believe you must have understood till here. So we have finished MCQ over here. We are finishing MCQ over here. We are stopping here. We are stopping here. Thank you. Thank you.